As promised, here is the step-by-step video for the CAP registration for all the CET candidates who are waiting for the admission for BMS, BBA, BCA and BBM. Guys, this video is really important for all the students जो ये application process कर रहे हैं. Yesterday, 8th of August से registration शुरू हुआ है और आपके पास time है 13th of August तक ये पूरा process खत्म करने का. This video at least will give you an idea जो भी process आपने follow किया है क्या वो सही है, documentation कैसे करने हैं, कितने साइज की फाइल आपको अपलोड करनी है फॉर द फोटोग्राफ, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स गेट स्टक इन 1 और 2 प्लेसेस. तो जब आप ये वीडियो पूरा देखोगे आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि किस तरीके से सही से आपको पूरा अपना कैप रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस खत्म करना है. एंड एनी स्टूडेंट हु फेल टू रजिस्टर फॉर द कैप बिफोर 13 विल बी आउट ऑफ द जेनरिक कैप राउंड्स. मतलब आप अपना बहुत अच्छा चांस टू गेट इन अ गुड कॉलेज लूज आउट कर दोगे. सो दिस वीडियो इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. मेक श्योर दैट यू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. So guys, before we start with the step-by-step registration process, let me tell you, पहली चीज जब आप ये process शुरू करोगे ना, आपको पैनिक नहीं करना है, सही से instructions पढ़ने हैं. This video will give you the reference कि भाई आपको किस तरीके से सही से पूरा step follow करना है. But फिर भी अगर आप confuse हो रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा anxious हो, parents, students, those who are watching it, we have seen बहुत सारे OMS candidate हैं, NRI candidates हैं, महाराष्ट्र के हैं, domicile नहीं है तो कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट आप डाल सकते हो. फॉर दैट वी हैव एन एडमिशन असिस्टेंस. ये बारकोड स्कैन करके आप वो बुक कर सकते हो. वी विल हैव आवर टीम जो कि एक्सपर्ट है, सालों से बच्चों के एडमिशंस में हेल्प कर रहे हैं. तो आपकी प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट बनाना, कैप रजिस्ट्रेशन करना, टिल यू गेट एडमिशन द टीम विल बी देयर टू असिस्ट यू. एंड दिस इज अ व्हाट्सएप नंबर जहां पे आप मैसेज कर सकते हो टू गेट द डिटेल्स. एंड दिस इज द QR कोड. आप स्कैन कर लीजिए एंड एनरोल फॉर इट. इट्स अ पेड कंसल्टेशन. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द स्टेप बाय स्टेप process.
Hey guys, today we'll be looking at filling the CAP registration for the BMS BBA BCA courses. So you need to log in, and once you log in, you will get a couple of options, either e-scrutiny or physical scrutiny. You can select e-scrutiny. Post that, you can select the CET, and the best of 2 scores and best of 2 data needs to be entered, which is the roll number and the application number. If you have not given the CUT, mention no. Okay? Once you do that, the details will be automatically fetched as per your roll number. You have to just validate are the details correct or no, and if everything is in order, you can click on save and proceed. Okay, once you do that, you will be selecting your candidate type A to type E. So once you select and confirm your candidate type, you will be moved on to the decision making. So for the decision making, you will have to enter the place from which you have done your HSC or +2. Basis that any of the 3 documents, either domicile, birth certificate or school leaving certificate is required. Whichever is handy, you can tick that box and click to save and proceed. Once you go next screen, it is a category decision making screen. Like what is the category of the student? You have to select the general or reservation, whichever category you belong to. In case you have an economical weaker section, which is income less than 8 lakhs, you can select that. And the state of the certificate of EWS, whether it is available, applied, not available, you can select that. So this is the proforma file, guys. For EWS students, this is how the proforma file looks like. You can get it collected or you can apply it from the nearest collector or tahsildar office. Okay? Please note करिए बात को. This is how you can collect it from the tahsildar office. This is moving forward. We can look at the physically challenged section. If you have a physical challenge or any of the special ability, you can select that. If you belong to the defense quota, you can select that particular option. You will have to select either of the options for your nationality. Then we move on to the SSC details. You have to mention the board from which you have done your SSC, which is standard 10th, the year of passing and the seat number. Once that is done, for the Maharashtra state board student, the detail will be automatically fetched. It's quite possible it might not be fetched for other students, but nonetheless, you will have to mention those details. For SSC guys, note the subjects. Once you enter the seat number, you'll have to enter the aggregate score. Aggregate score for SSC has to be best of 5, guys. Okay, best of 5. Please remember this. All right, be very careful. Do not enter all the marks. Enter the best of 5 marks for SSC or 10th standard. So this is how the illustration is looking like. Once you click on the sample link, they will show you a PDF and how do you calculate the best of 5 scores. Just go through these, and whatever are the top 5 scores, you have to calculate that for your standard 10th. get the marks and enter those details as the best of 5 obtained marks and total marks. All right, that is how you derive the percentage. After that, you will need mathematics, science, and English marks to be entered, guys. All right, these three details are very important. Fill it very carefully. After that, we move on to the 10 plus 2, which is HSC details. Select your board, select your year of passing. Also, mention your roll number or seat number very carefully in the tab. And if you have passed it in the first attempt, select yes. If no, you can select the respective compartment details as well. For 12th standard, enter the entire aggregate. There is no best of 5 in 12th standard. You will have to enter all the details. All right. Once you enter all the details, you can select the respective option if you're doing diploma, yes or no. Post that, all the candidate profile, the way you have registered for the CET portal or till now, will be pulled from the portal, and this is will be applicable right in front of you. You have to just verify the details and tick box whatever is applicable. In case of gender, you have to select the respective gender. You have to declare orphanage as well. Please note the asterisk mark. Whichever option is having an asterisk, it is compulsory. All right. Enter your communication details. By default, this will get fetched. In case if it doesn't get fetched, you'll have to enter those details, guys. All right. Please check your contact details. These are the details which you have used while registering for the CET examination. These are the same details. In case somebody doesn't have this or CET students are looking at this video, you will have to enter the details now. Once you have done that, you have to upload your photograph. The photograph size has to be less than 50 KB. All right. Please note this point very carefully. Once you have done uploading your photograph, you have to save it. Click on save and proceed, which is the next step. Now, as per your candidature type, these are the list of documents which is required as per respective category. So every document will vary as per the student's category type. If somebody's got a Gujarati minority, linguistic minority, or any minority, will have a minority certificate mentioned as well. If somebody belongs to a reservation, SC, ST, OBC, NT, VJ, NT 1, 2, 3, so sort of documents will be required. So as per your category, these documents need to be mentioned correctly. So please take a note of these documents, guys. So 10th, 12th mark sheet is compulsory. Your CET scorecard will be compulsory. Your school living certificate will be compulsory, which will play a maximum role in proving your nationality, your place of birth, as well as other details. So this is very important document, SLC, school living certificate, guys. And last but not the least, you have to upload your CET scorecard. Okay. And once you upload, guys, please ensure that you view the upload has been done correctly or no. There is a view option at the right. Once you click that, you will be able to see whether the certificates that you've uploaded are perfect or not. So kindly ensure the view button is being checked thoroughly by you guys, and everything that you uploaded is getting properly captured in the database or not. Last but not the least, we uploaded the CET mark sheet. Once you uploaded the CET mark sheet, we can just cross verify that one more time. Everything is in order. What we can do is we can go ahead, click on save and proceed. Yeah. So once you click on save and proceed, guys, the next step is the second last step or the final step of the application process. While you're going ahead, just read the instructions carefully once. So this is how it is. Once you click, you get a final application form with all the details. Go through this form very, very carefully. Whatever details you have mentioned, are those details correct or not? Your 10th standard marks, 12th standard marks, name of your parent, gender, communication address, everything has to be thoroughly checked by you guys. And in case of any issue that you find here, you can again go back, unlock your form and update those details. Okay, guys? Please remember there is a opportunity wherein you can go back and update your details as well. So please note this very, very carefully. Once you have the print, you can save the print, and this is the last step wherein you will be able to see your EFC. E is for Electronic Facilitation Center. That's what EFC means, guys. Okay. This will be done digitally. The scrutiny will be done digitally. In case of any remarks, the EFC Center will share a mail or prompt a remark. This is a list of physical FCs, physical facilitation centers. In case somebody wishes to visit them, you may do so. But if you've chosen EFC, E Facilitation Center, everything is going to happen digitally, guys. Okay. So kindly make a note of it. This is how the process is going to look like.
आई होप गाइस कि आपको पूरा प्रोसेस समझ गया होगा. फिर भी अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. ऑल्सो आई विल बी कमिंग लाइव टू सॉल्व योर क्वेश्चन. सो जो काउंसलिंग सेशन नहीं बुक कर सकते हैं या कंसल्टेशन नहीं ले सकते हैं, इट्स कंप्लीटली ऑल राइट. आप सिर्फ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लीजिए. यू कैन डू इट योर सेल्फ. वील गिव यू ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन. ऐसी कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है जो हमने आपसे हाइड की है. सो आई एम हियर टू हेल्प ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. द पेमेंट इज अ डिफरेंट प्रोसेस बिकॉज वहाँ क्या होता है कि देयर इज अ टीम टू असिस्ट यू. They are spending their time. There's somebody, always available on the call to help you, assist you. So that's the reason. But if you follow us on Instagram and YouTube, trust me, लाखों बच्चों का आराम से एडमिशन हो गया है just because they have followed the instruction right. And आपका जो कैप में कॉलेजेस डालने हैं वो 15 से 17 तारीख तक आपको सारी लिस्ट मिल जाएगी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रैंकिंग एंड परसेंटाइल. आपको कौन सा कॉलेज डालना है और कौन सी कॉलेज में प्रोबेबिलिटी है. So stay tuned for that and yes, share this video with all your friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.